Okay, the next question that came up was, does the TI Inspire do 3D graphing? Yes, and it's kind of in a non-intuitive way. You do go to Add Graphs, and in Menu, you'll notice the View, and in View you get 3D graphing. Uh, I would think intuitively one might go, why wouldn't we be in graph? But let's do 3D graphing. And then I'm going to show you a feature that I like. In the 3D graphing, you can have a function or parametric. I'm just going to look at the functional representation. And but I do want to show you a dynamic feature of the 3D graphing. If we access the insert, oh, well, that's just the beautiful rotation. Um, but what we would want to do here is in action go to insert slider, and here I have a little slider, and this will allow me to dynamically change the situation. And I'm going to just get wild and wacky and insert yet another slider. There you go on that. And then in our entry line, with with the TI Inspire, if we access Tab or Control G, the entry line will appear. And let's just plot cosine, or let's plot, I guess, V1. And notice, because I have a slider stored as V1 times cosine x plus, and then let's do sine of V2 times y, and lo and behold, we have our little 3D graph. I can play around with my slider and look at how items become quite beautiful and dynamic. I believe that if I click and if I maybe arrow, which that's what I'm doing, if I'm using my arrow key, I can rotate and play around like that. I have used this in maybe slicing up inverted cones for an Algebra 2 class, but I've also just played with this type of 3D graphing. I think you can animate this and then just have a good old time. Hope that answers your question on